Good morning, students. So, today we'll start with chapter number 5 and understanding elementary shapes. Now, in the chapter number 4, we saw about quadrilaterals, we saw about planes, about quadrilaterals, with about parallelograms, and in this chapter, we'll start with understanding what are angles, what are triangles, and all different segments of the shapes. Now first one is measuring line segment. How we can measure the line segment? Either we can measure it by scale, either we can scale को ruler भी बोला जाता है, either we can measure in with the divider and we can put that divider on the scale and we can measure it. There are various ways. You have to just read this page for the understanding of this. Now see the here there are various advantages and disadvantages of कंपेयरिंग बाय डिवाइडर. हम लोग का पोजीशन भी गलत हो सकता है एंड देन वी कैन लूज द राइट मेजरमेंट ऑफ द लाइन सेगमेंट, राइट. सो इन द एक्सरसाइज 5.1 certain questions are asked about the line segments. Like first one, what is the disadvantage in comparing line segment by mere observation? So what are the disadvantage? Same is the disadvantage. We can lose the position error. Now see the second one. Why it is better to use a divider than a ruler while measuring the length of line segment? Why it is better? Because we can get exact position. This is start किया, इधर end किया, and then we can see whether it is right or not with the help of ruler. So these are the theory based questions which are related to line segment. Now see the second part, angles, right and straight. Right angles, everyone know 90-degree angle is known as right angle. This is known as right angle. Here this side is known as right angle. These four angles are right angles. Now what are straight angles? Straight angle means two right angles are known as straight angles. Complete angle. What is a complete angle? Complete angle means a full one revolution in the clockwise side is known as complete angle. 360 degree is known as complete angle. So in exercise 5.2 it is related to clocks, measures, and about right angle and straight angles are given. See the first one. What fraction of the clockwise revolution does the hour end of a clock turn through when it goes from 3 to 9? 3 से लेके 9 तक अगर हमारा जा रहा है, so how much fraction it is moving? So it is moving half of the revolution. 4 to 7, 1/4 of the revolution. 7 to 10, 1/4 of the revolution. 12 to 9, 3/4 of the revolution. 1 to 10, 3/4 of the revolution. 6 to 3, 3/4 of the revolution. Now same ways, second one, third one is asked. These all are theory based questions which you can see and you can understand and you can solve it by yourself. Now see the next part of the lesson is three angles: acute angle, obtuse angle, and reflex angle. Acute angle and obtuse angle is easy for us. Acute angle मतलब एंगल स्मॉलर देन अ राइट एंगल इज कॉल्ड एक्यूट एंगल. राइट एंगल से छोटा एंगल उसे हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? एक्यूट एंगल. हियर सी सेकेंड वन. इफ एंगल इज लार्जर देन राइट एंगल्स बट लेसर देन स्ट्रेट एंगल इट इज नोन एज ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल. राइट एंगल से बड़ा और स्ट्रेट एंगल से छोटा इट इज नोन एज ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल. सो इन ए क्वेश्चन exercise 5.3 match the following is given. We have to solve this match the following. Straight angle क्या है? Half of a revolution. Right angle 1/4 of the revolution. Acute angle less than 1/4 of a revolution. Obtuse angle between 1/4 and half of the revolution. Reflex angle more than half of a revolution. Reflex angle क्या होता है? Straight angle से बड़ा और complete angle से छोटा. It is known as reflex angle. Now see here we have to rectify that whether which is right angle, which is acute angle. Here this is acute angle. This is obtuse angle. This is right angle. This is reflex angle. This is straight angle. And this is two acute angles. Now see. There are various degrees. For example, 90 degree, 180 degree, 360 degree. These all are the, this is the degree of complete angle. This is of a straight angle. This is of right angles. There are various degrees which we can use and we can measure with the help of protractor, right? So here is a protractor. इस protractor के help से हम लोग क्या measure कर सकते हैं? We can measure the degree of the angles. Now see. Exercise 5.4. What is the measure of a right angle? Right angle का measure क्या होता है? 90 degree. What is the measure of a straight angle? 180 degree. Now here true or false? The measure of an acute angle is less than 90 degree. True. The measure of an obtuse angle is less than 90 degree. False. The measure of reflex angle is less than 180 degree. False. The measure of one complete revolution is 360 degree is true. If measure angle A is 50 and measure angle B is 35 degree, measure angle A बड़ा है कि B? A, obviously, so true. Write down the sum of the measure of some acute angle, some obtuse angle. कोई भी measure हम लोग लिख सकते हैं. Acute angle में 90 डिग्री से छोटा लिखना है, means 60 डिग्री हो सकता है, 40 डिग्री हो सकता है. Obtuse angle means 110 degree, 130 degree. These are the examples of obtuse and acute angle. अभी ये हमें जो है ये हमें प्रोट्रैक्टर के एंगल से मेजर करना है एंड यू हैव टू राइट द डिग्री. दिस एंगल, दिस ऑल एक्सरसाइज यू कैन डू इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक इटसेल्फ, राइट? सो यू हैव टू मेजर इट विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्रोट्रैक्टर एंड राइट द डिग्री. नाउ सी हियर कैसे मेजर करेंगे. यू ऑल नो, यू हैव डन इन 5th स्टैंडर्ड. सो ये कौन सा डिग्री हो गया यहाँ पे? 120 degree. Here you can write 120 degree. Like this you can measure and write the angles. So from exercise 5.4 we will solve question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and question number 7. Fill in the blanks. Now the next topic is perpendicular lines. When two lines intersect, the angle between them intersect and the angle between them is right angle, then the lines are said to be perpendicular. कोई भी lines जो है वो मिलती है and the angle forming is right angle is known as perpendicular lines, and this is known as perpendicular bisector. So here see, two lines are made, AB is made और उसका perpendicular bisector हमको बनाना है, right? So MN is a perpendicular bisector to line segment AB. ये हमें कैसे बनाना है? This all we will learn in chapter number 14 later in the semester 2, right? So exercise 5.5. See the first one. Which of the following are models for perpendicular lines? The adjacent edges of table top. So this is the model of perpendicular lines. Yes. The lines of the railway track. False. The lane segments forming letter A. True. Means here no, here yes. The letter V. No. Now see, PQ line segment be the perpendicular line segment of XY. Let PQ and XY intersect in the point A. What is the measure of angle PAY? Obviously जब हम लोग perpendicular lines बनाएंगे तो measure will be always 90 degree. Now see the fourth one. Diagram है यहाँ पे, इसे study करना है and you have to answer the question. So diagram को learn see करके you can answer the question. First one, see, is CE is equal to EG? So CE is equal to EG. Yes. Does PE line bisect CG? Yes. So you have, like this you have to answer the questions. Now see the second one. Classify the triangles. There are various types of triangles. Now see, scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, right? So first one is scalene triangle. A triangle having all three unequal sides is called scalene triangle. This is all the definition. Mark this definition. You have to write in the notebook. A triangle having all three unequal sides is called scalene ट्राइंगल, मतलब सारे साइड्स अनइक्वल होते हैं, दे आर नोन, दैट इज नोन एज स्केलिन ट्राइंगल. अ ट्राइंगल हैविंग टू इक्वल साइड्स इज कॉल्ड आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल. वेयर टू साइड्स आर इक्वल्स आर कॉल्ड आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल. अ ट्राइंगल हैविंग थ्री इक्वल साइड्स इज कॉल्ड इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल. जहां तीनों साइड इक्वल है उस एंगल ट्राइंगल को वी विल नोन एज इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल. नाउ 90 डिग्री से अगर कम एंगल बन रहा है तो इट इज नोन एज एक्यूट एंगल ट्राइंगल. Now the triangle in which one right angle is formed, it is known as right angle triangle. और triangle जिसमें एंगल बड़ा है is known as obtuse angle triangle. So these are the example of acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle. So in exercise 5.6 we will make triangle बनाना है अलग अलग sides का with the help of scale. Now see, ट्राइंगल्स विथ लेंथ ऑफ साइड, एक साइड हमें 7 सेंटीमीटर की बनानी है, एक साइड हमें 8 सेंटीमीटर एंड वन साइड ऑफ 9 सेंटीमीटर. इट इज अ स्केलिन ट्राइंगल. यू हैव टू नेम द टाइप्स. सो ट्राइंगल एबीसी विथ AB इज इक्वल टू 8.7 सेंटीमीटर, AC इज इक्वल टू 7 सेंटीमीटर एंड BC इज इक्वल टू 7 सेंटीमीटर. सो इट इज अ स्केलिन ट्राइंगल. ट्राइंगल PQR such as PQ is equal to QR is equal to PR, तीनों साइड्स इक्वल है, सो इट इज अ इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल. ट्राइंगल DEF with measure angle D is equal to 90, right angled triangle. ट्राइंगल XYZ में मेजर एंगल Y is equal to 90 and XY is equal to YZ. सो ये राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल भी है और आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल भी, क्योंकि टू साइड्स आर इक्वल. ट्राइंगल LMN विथ मेजर एंगल L इज इक्वल टू 30 डिग्री एंड मेजर एंगल M इज इक्वल टू 70, मेजर एंगल M इज इक्वल टू 90. तीनों साइड जो है 90 डिग्री से छोटा है, सो इट इज एक्यूट एंगल ऑल्सो एंड इट इज स्केलिन ट्राइंगल ऑल्सो. हियर मैच द कॉलम इज गिवन एंड हियर वी हैव टू फाइंड दैट विच टाइप ऑफ ट्राइंगल इट इज. इट इज एन इजी एक्सरसाइज. Quadrilateral and parallelogram. You already know what is a quadrilateral and parallelogram. Quadrilateral क्या है? A plane made up of line segments which are not of the equal sides, right? Now here true or false is given in exercise 5.7. Just see the true or false. This one we have to solve from exercise 5.7. खाली true or false हमें करना है. Now see. Polygons we have studied in lesson number 5th standard. Polygons what are, which are made up of line segment, 3 line segments और उससे ज्यादा line segment से बना होता है. It is a shape. Now see, 3 line segments triangle, 4 line segment quadrilateral, 5 line segment pentagon, 6 line segment hexagon, 8 line segment octagon. Basic chapters these are, which are already done in chapter number 4 also. Now see here, which is a polygon, B1 and D1. C is not a polygon क्योंकि line segment इसमें included नहीं है. You have to name the polygon. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides are there. So what is this polygon is known as parallelogram. This is triangle. This is octagon and it is octagon. Question number 1 and 2 we will do from exercise 5.8. Now exercise 5.9. Here we will match the following. Before starting this we will learn what are 3-dimensional shape. 3-dimensional shapes क्या होते हैं? Now the shapes which we see in our daily lives, like ball is a sphere, मतलब circle नहीं, it is a sphere. The ice cream is a triangle but it is not a triangle, it is a cone. Then cylinder, then box, dice. These are the shapes which are 3-dimensional shapes. Now here see a prism. Prism is also a 3-dimensional shape which are having face also, vertex, edge. These are the, each side of a cube is a flat surface called as flat face. 2 faces meets at a line segment called edge. 3 edges meet at a point called vertex. These are the definition of vertex, face and edges. Copy these definitions in your notebook. So exercise 5.9. This is a cone, sphere, cylinder, cuboid, pyramid. So here our chapter number 5 gets finished. The next video will start with lesson number 6 इट इज अ वेरी शॉर्ट चैप्टर. लेसन नंबर 5 बहुत छोटा चैप्टर है. द सम्स जो भी मैंने आपको बताया, दैट सम्स यू डू इन योर नोटबुक. थैंक यू.